In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Revolut business account. First, open your web browser and search for Revolut. From the results, head to the official Revolut website and choose the option to create an account. This walkthrough focuses on setting up from the web and should take just a few minutes if you have your company information handy, like your registration number and incorporation date. You'll be prompted to choose your country. Make sure Revolut supports business accounts where you're based, as availability can vary. If it's supported, confirm your selection and move forward. Next, pick the legal type of your business. Select the option that matches how your company is set up, such as a sole trader, limited company, or partnership. When that's set, continue. Enter your email address. This will be used for verification and account communication, so use an inbox you actively check. Continue, then go to your email and approve the login or click the verification link Revolut sends. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or wait a moment. Add your phone number, making sure the correct country code is selected first, then continue. A verification code will be sent to your device. Type that code in to confirm it's you. Create a secure password you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a strong mix of characters and keep it private. Then proceed to the next screen. Provide your date of birth and continue. Enter your residential address exactly as it appears on official documents and continue. Use your current home address rather than a P.O. box so verification checks succeed. If the form auto-completes your address, confirm the format is correct. Search for your business's legal name. Once it appears, select it and continue. If your company doesn't show in search, enter the legal name exactly as registered and make sure the spacing and suffixes match. You'll now fill in business details, including the legal name, your company registration number as listed by your local registry, and the date of incorporation. Review these carefully for accuracy, then continue. Add your business address, including city and postal code, and continue again. Revolut will guide you through identity verification. This is required for compliance and helps keep your account secure. Continue to choose the form of identification you'll use, like a passport or national ID, and follow the prompts. You may be asked to record a short verification video. Make sure you're in a well-lit area, remove hats or sunglasses, reduce screen glare on your ID, hold your document steady, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once verification is complete, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. Processing can take a little time. You'll be notified when everything is ready. From here, you're set to proceed with your new business account.